guys. Welcome to our math. Today we're going to start learning about unit fractions and their relation to the whole. Beginning with the end in mind, our learning target today is I can partition a whole into equal parts and define the equal parts to identify the unit fraction numerically. That means that we're going to break apart a whole shape into equal parts, because remember that for it to be a fraction, it needs to be into equal parts. We are then going to be able to know how many of those equal parts there are and see how many units will be in each one. So whether it is broken up into 3 or 4 or 5 units would be the unit fraction. To be successful today, strong mathematicians can identify the unit form and fraction form of a given partitioned shape. All right, first we're going to go ahead and do fluency practice. You will need a piece of paper and a pencil for this activity. First, we are going to practice multiplication by counting units of 8. First, we are going to count as high as we can for 90 seconds. I want you to go ahead and write down your numbers on your piece of paper. Are you ready? Set, go. Good job, my friends. Go ahead and stop. Now I am going to count, and I want you to circle any of the ones that you missed. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96, 104, 112, 120, 128, 136, 144, 152, 160, 168, 176, 184, 192, 200, 208, 216, 224, 232, 240. Okay, now that we have gone through that, I want you to go ahead and try it one more time. I want you to go ahead and write your answers underneath your first set. I'm going to set the timer again. Ready, set, go. my friends. Good job. Way to go. Congratulations. Look at how much more you improved. Give yourself a pat on the back. Even if you got just one more number, you are improving. Keep practicing. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and write the fractional units. So we're going to review super fast. Remember that a unit fraction is how many units your shape is partitioned into equally. That is the denominator of your fraction, that bottom number. That tells you how many equal pieces you have divided or partitioned your shape into. Then the numerator is the shaded or used part. That is also your top number. So that's how many units you have used or shaded in your shape. So we're going to try that today. You can either use the slides and draw directly on the slide, or you may go ahead and use your piece of paper, whichever one makes